What is a turbocharger and how does it work? What if I told you a small engine can produce the same power as a big one? That's not magic. That's a turbocharger. Welcome back to JAG's Empire Automobiles, driven by passion, powered by knowledge. Today, we're breaking down what a turbocharger is, how it works, and why modern cars rely on it so much. What is a turbocharger? A turbocharger is a device that helps an engine make more power without increasing its size. Normally, an engine takes in air naturally, but a turbocharger forces extra air into the engine. More air means more fuel can be burned, and that means more power. So instead of using a bigger engine, manufacturers use smaller turbocharged engines that are powerful, fuel-efficient, and cleaner. Main parts of a turbocharger. A turbocharger has three major parts. First, the turbine. This is powered by exhaust gases leaving the engine. Second, the compressor. This pulls in fresh air and compresses it before sending it into the engine. Third, the center housing. This connects the turbine and compressor and contains oil for lubrication. Both the turbine and compressor are connected by a shaft, so when one spins, the other spins too. How a turbocharger works. Here's the simple process. When you press the accelerator, the engine burns fuel. That creates exhaust gases. Instead of wasting that exhaust, it is used to spin the turbine inside the turbocharger. As the turbine spins, it turns the compressor, which pushes more air into the engine's cylinders. With more air inside the engine, more fuel can be added. The result? More horsepower and more torque. This is why a 2.0-liter turbo engine can feel as strong as a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated engine. Advantages of a turbocharger. Turbochargers come with several benefits. First, more power from a smaller engine. Second, better fuel economy when driven calmly. Third, reduced emissions, which helps meet modern regulations. And finally, better performance at high altitudes. That's why many modern cars, SUVs, and even trucks now come turbocharged. Disadvantages of a turbocharger. However, turbos are not perfect. There can be turbo lag, which is a slight delay before the power kicks in. They also create more heat, and repairs can be more expensive if not maintained properly. In conclusion, in summary, a turbocharger uses exhaust gases to increase engine power efficiently. It's smart engineering that gives you speed, power, and fuel efficiency all in one package. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to JAG's Empire Automobiles. See you in the next video, Automobile Fire.